Also tonight, a new agenda from the Buffalo Niagara Partnership with a similar vision as Governor Kathy Hochul to advance New York State. You may recall Hochul focusing on job improvements and tackling the concept of a large number of New Yorkers leaving for other states.
It's also essential that we have good paying long-term jobs so people can provide for their families. Now, I know as an upstater who lived through decades of decline and job loss, there was a time when our greatest export was our children. I'm glad to report those days are finally over. But as a governor, I know it's hard to recruit new businesses. But if we're intentional, targeted, invest in our communities, our infrastructure, our education system, then we can beat out all the others.
Tonight, the Buffalo Niagara Partnership's 2024 Advocacy Agenda showcasing its vision for small business owners and elected officials from the BNP's annual member survey. It highlights policies the organization is focusing on for Western New York to move forward. Thursday night's remarks represented dozens of Buffalo Niagara industries and elected officials from the federal, state, and local government. And I spoke with a small business owner, the president and CEO of the BNP, and an elected official, all sharing their vision for how New York State can improve.
Certainly understand the value of what the Buffalo Niagara Partnership means to me as a small business. One, two, as a minority-owned business. I think, and currently also, and the fact for others within the region.
Yves Richard Blanc is the owner of Blanc Global Dynamism, which is a marketing company and also has a photography sector. He works with corporate clients like M&T Bank and UB doing headshots for staff.
To be part of an organization like this, you have to show up. You have to be part of the committees. You have to give up your time. You have to invest the time and effort.
Now, the state becoming more business friendly would also help small businesses. New York State's COVID-19 paid sick leave is negatively impacting small businesses post-pandemic. Buffalo Niagara Partnership President and CEO Dottie Gallagher says now is a time for small businesses to operate more efficiently.
So there are many HR sorts of things that are adding cost to businesses and employers, and particularly small businesses are disproportionately hit. Even things like unemployment insurance. New York is one of the few states that didn't pay down the unemployment insurance debt and have passed that cost along to businesses.
Even some of the COVID hangover policies that made total sense in 2020 and probably made total sense in 2021 and even 22 maybe, but now here we are going into 2024. It's time to sort of move beyond that.
Thursday's advocacy agenda mentioned things like advancing New York's public policy and improving energy affordability and affordable housing. This coincides with the governor's State of the State address, where she mentioned New Yorkers leaving for other states.
I think the biggest concern for New Yorkers and for me is that homeownership is the cornerstone of the American dream. If young people can't buy that first home, if that is beyond their reach, that's a real problem, I think, in a bigger way.